Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today's super exciting for me because I get to play around with an idea. And I've had this idea since I picked these wood rounds up from the Dollar Tree, I want to say around September, October maybe. So these are, I think they're 12-inch rounds. Let's see. A little under 12-inch rounds. And they're relatively thin, as you can see. They're very, very thin. And they come with this twine handle to, it's a hanging decor sign. And they were $1. I know that Dollar Tree right now is changing over to $1.25 or something. I still think that that's a pretty good deal if you pick these up for $1.25. So here's my thought. I wanted to do some kind of hanging decor with kind of a geode style. So the base will be white, and then I'm going to add in, today's the day I get to play with my Dryer Days Art Studio stuff. So I've got this is the Dusty Rose pigment. If the camera would focus, thank you. Dusty Rose, it's very, very pretty. And then I've got the Mermaid's Dream pigment. And look, I haven't even started and I've already got black ink on my arm. Thank you, black ink bottle. So I'm going to use those, and I'm also going to use, sorry, I'm trying to clean myself up. Okay, I'm also going to use silver alcohol ink, and I forgot to grab it. Oh, where's it at? And gold alcohol ink. So one of these is going to be silver and one of them is going to have gold elements to it. And then I may or may not use the blue silver. These are glass glitter shards. Let me open these up. They are very, very pretty. These are what I used in that tray that I made for an extended family member. So I may or may not use this. Probably not, at least for the gold. Maybe for the silver. And yeah, this is going to be a very hands-on playtime, I guess you could call it. So I'm going to be double gloved. I'm going to be using my hands. I'm going to be propping these up using cups. So I've got my paper cups ready. And the camera will, of course, be lifted up more on the tripod. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to lay down white and then play a little bit with color and then use my heat gun to push around the color. It's going to be an experiment. It's something that I've been wanting to try for a while. I'm finally going to try it. And of course, the white is going to be the Cast and Craft white, so that it's nice and opaque. I'm not sure. I don't think I want to put color down on this beforehand. What I am going to do before I get started is I am going to remove these, and these are just tied, you know, with a simple knot. So I'm going to, and you just have to untie one, obviously. So I am just going to remove the handle part. There we go. And I'm going to, so I have, typically I would blue tape this, but I also have some liquid latex, and this is like really cheap. Liquid latex that I got in a Halloween makeup kit that I bought this year. And I've been wanting to try it out for the resin stuff just to use it, because I wouldn't, probably never going to use it on me at any point. But I also think one other thing that I want to do is perhaps pipe hot glue into these holes, or maybe even the liquid latex, or perhaps like a school glue or something, so that I can pull that out once the resin is cured and the hole will still be there, so that I can use the twine. So I'm going to figure out which one I want to do. I should probably have tested this before I started filming. But, yeah, I guess keep watching and you'll find out which method I end up going with. But yeah, I'm just going to do this for the bottom, you know, so that when it drips over, it doesn't make a hot mess that stays there. Alright, let's get rolling. That was a very long intro. I apologize for that. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright friends, this is cured. I only did one. I'm sure my editing Megan has told you. Yeah, so I only did one. Mostly because the mess, well, no, mostly because I overestimated the size of my working table. Yeah. So, I'm gonna, peel off the tape. And hopefully it's not too difficult to get it off. You know what? Maybe I'll do this part off camera because it's the boring stuff, you know? Yeah. Okay. Let's do it off camera. All right. Alright, so it's not a very clean break, but I can paint this, this back, of course. Now, the other issue is, while I did have this stuff, the silicone stuff in there, clearly it's not gonna, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to break through. So, what I have instead is a kit for hanging things on the wall. So what I'll probably do is I'll end up sanding the back here, getting rid of some of the spillover resin, and then painting, and then attaching something like that to it, and then hanging it up. But I think this is probably the best angle, maybe, to hang it up. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think it turned out super pretty. I'm very, very happy with it. And I had a lot of fun doing it. It's always fun to make messes and then clean them up in it. And I even saved some of the spillover stuff to see if I can reuse some of this in like coasters or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, so that's today's video. Sorry I only did one. I do have the second one here still, you know, nice and prepped and ready to go. If I get to it, but that won't be for a while because my next video will be using this mold, which is a little gingerbread house. So definitely stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up on Thursday. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by leaving it a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you want to stick around, feel free to click that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Thank you.